How to fix Quotex account login not working problem. Hello everybody. If you're having that kind of issue when you're trying to log in into Quotex, you can follow up the steps. So first thing is ensuring that your credentials are correct, because that may be also the issue. So first thing is go ahead and enter up your email address correctly and then your password as well, and try logging in into your account. If that doesn't work, what you can do is you're gonna go ahead and ensuring that you have a proper internet connection, because maybe you are trying to log in while you don't have a good internet connection. So go ahead and see if you have a stable connection or not. Apart from that, you can also clear the cache of the app. Long press on the app, head over to the info section and scroll down and head over to storage. After that, go ahead and clear the cache and clear the data as well, and fix your account login problem not working. If none of these steps work, you can contact the Quotex support through their website or app for the assistance and provide them with the details about the problem, including account information and the steps that you have already taken. So that is how you fix the Quotex account login problem not working. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.